Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the Bitcoin.org innovation and payment systems. You can find this in the description box down below this video. On this page, you can see some other payment systems that you can check out. You can click this box to view the page. There are control, assets, fraud, global accessibility, cost, tips and donations, crowdfunding, micro payments, trust and integrity, resilience and decentralized, flexibility, transparency, automated solutions. You can see that there are icons, a title. Also, you can read the description. You can check out the footer where you can click to find more. You can click this button which says donate to donate some Bitcoin. You can also scan the QR code or copy their Bitcoin address. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, you can check out the WheezCoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Bitcoin innovations and payment systems.